back. So I did say that I was going to try to go ahead and release one video every week of S10 content. This week I have primarily spent my time working on my half-ton Dodge. Fortunately, Big Blue is reaching the point of nearly 300,000 kilometers, and I had a bunch of stuff to do in order to keep my poor old truck going. Mostly just maintenance stuff. You know, I was having some transmission problems, and I know everybody's gonna say something about a Dodge having transmission problems, but in reality the problems stem from a faulty torque converter. When I rebuilt the transmission in 2020, of course, because of the COVID and all the lockdowns and shutdowns and stuff, I had a really hard time getting a torque converter for the truck. So I unfortunately had to buy a converter from someone, well, a shop, a company that I normally don't deal with. And as a result, the lockup clutch in it prematurely failed. And of course that generated a ton of heat because the lockup clutch was staying engaged. And as most people already will know, heat is the enemy of an automatic transmission. And on a Dodge, the cooling circuit basically it exits the converter, goes through the cooler, and then goes straight to the rear of the transmission. And in the rear is one of the hottest parts of the truck, and that is the overdrive unit, because it generates a ton of heat too. And so I basically had just a lot of heat and not very good circulation. So that's a surefire way to burn up an automatic, and that's exactly what happened. But even then, that transmission went just under 100,000 kilometers, and almost all of that with a trailer behind the truck or something in the back of the truck. So all things considered, not too bad. So I rebuilt another transmission that I bought for a core. I put all the best of the best in it, and that's in the truck now. And I've been fixing up little bits and pieces here or there, so that I have a good reliable daily driver and something that's good and reliable to tow my trailer with, so that when we bring home projects we have our truck. Anyway, so that's been what I primarily have been working on. That being said, like I mentioned, I did say I would put out some S10 content once a week, and I do have some S10 content. So that's what I will show you. Okay, good morning from Standard Auto Wreckers here in Scarborough, Ontario. Come down here today because I had a listing for an 88 GMC S15, and we're hoping that we can get a good rad support for my 87 S10. Here's the truck in question. We're going to see how the rad support looks here.